In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add AdBlock in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. From that menu, move to Extensions and then click to open the Chrome Web Store. When the Chrome Web Store opens, find the search bar and type AdBlock. After that, press Enter so the store can show you the available results. You may see more than one extension with similar names, so take a moment to look for the AdBlock option you want to install. Once you find it, click on it to open its details page. This page usually shows a short description, user ratings, and the permissions the extension may need. When you are ready, click the button to add it to Chrome. Chrome may display a small confirmation window before the installation finishes. After AdBlock has been installed, the next step is to make sure it is active and easy to access. Go back to the upper right area of Chrome and click the extensions icon. This icon usually looks like a small puzzle piece. When the extensions list appears, find the AdBlock extension you just added. Click on it to open it, and make sure it is activated. Depending on the version, you may also have the option to pin it so the AdBlock icon stays visible in the toolbar. This can make it easier to quickly manage the extension whenever you need it. Once it is active, AdBlock should begin helping reduce unwanted ads while you browse. If you do not notice changes right away, try refreshing your current tab or reopening the page. That covers everything you need to know.